Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we dive into the world of very beautiful artistic craftic bottle craft ideas. Very beautiful designs, very beautiful decorations for upcoming season, upcoming festive creation. So hope you like these designs and ideas. In this video we will show you the best craftic collection and easy to make your recycle these bottles. Don't throw away these bottles and try to recycle it. It is good for our planet. It's a basic necessity for our planets for upcoming generation. So coming generation we have to do that for them. Recycle things. Recycle. These are eco-friendly, budget-friendly, very beautiful ideas, and it can make your home centerpiece. It can make your home centerpiece, and it can become a lantern. You can make it very beautiful pencil holder, pen holder, lantern, light. And what you will do, what you have to do something. These type of tips I want to give you. Take a plain bottle who you thrown away, but take it and take it as a blank canvas. So what will you do with the blank canvas? So take it, wash it and dry it for 15 minutes and add some painting colors, glass colors, and whatever you want to make, salty and snow, whatever you want to make, you have to do that. And after that, take some colors, make some snowman, take some beautiful mountain and cozy and warm touch. And after that you will touch it, add put some fairy lights on it, put some fairy lights, and it will be a beautiful lantern. You can hang it on walls, you can hang it on tree, backyard, and it will be really beautiful and very welcoming and cozy. When guests will come and say who made this, and you proudly say that I made it, and it would be a pure dopamine creation of your mind when you make it. So when you make this type of things, your mind is going to be free and stress free, and beautiful feelings you feel inner side. So next step is take a plain bottle, and either it's plastic or glass, and after that wrap it with jute or burlap. Burlap is the second name of jute. So take some jute wrap and make it with wrap it with jute, and after that you have to put on rope on the neck of bottle. Wrap some tie knot with jute rope, and add some bead work, and add some cherries style stones and beautiful collection what you want to make. So you can get best ideas from this video, and you can take essays, you can make snowy ideas, you can wrap with jute and snow. So most of the ideas is beneficial for you, and you can make centerpiece with these type of bottles, and you can craft with it and recycle bottles. So viewers, what do you think about these bottles? I think this is very cool and impressive ideas in this collection, in this video. Hope you enjoy the all ideas and designs. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't throw away your bottles. Keep crafting. Happy crafting, my crafters. So viewers, Thank you so much for walking me your watching me your life and home fulfilled with happiness. And spread happiness, spread easiest things. The more you give, the